kind of another topic on Apple. We know the WWDC conference is supposed to happen next week. It's a multi-day event. It's the first time that it's actually gone digital. Can you give us some of the headlines that we expect to come out of that conference?
Yeah, so WWDC, huge event for Apple. I'm not going to say it's the most important because that would be the iPhone launch, but WWDC does give us an idea of where the company is going in the future and what we can expect this time around. Usually a lot of software, but we're going to look at the potential for Apple to announce that it's ditching Intel as its partner for processors on its Mac and MacBook lines of computers. They would instead be using ARM-based processors of their own design. So they use ARM-based processors in their iPhone and iPad. And so the fact that they would be using this in their laptops and desktops would be huge. ARM-based processors are important because they give you that long battery life, but there's been no really test case to tell us whether or not they're as powerful as Intel's own processors when it comes to real heavy-duty computing. What we've seen out of Windows-based machines that use ARM is that they really can't hold a candle. So it'll behoove Apple to be able to provide that kind of performance and that improved battery life so consumers don't have to make a trade-off when it comes to using an Intel or ARM-based machine. Outside of that, we're expected to get iOS 14. That'll be the latest version of iOS, which runs on the iPhone. Some of the improvements there include a new multitasking view, perhaps a fitness app, as well as the ability to set your own default apps rather than them being Safari for web browsing and mail. For email, you may be able to set Chrome or Firefox or any kind of mail app, Gmail or Yahoo Mail, for instance. And then as far as the watch, we're looking for Watch OS 7. One of the features there could be sleep tracking, though that may be something that Apple's unable to do as far as a simple software update. They may give us a hint that that could be coming in the next generation of watches. The reason why it would need to come in a new generation is because of battery power. And then we should see updates to Mac OS as well as iPad OS as well. And then we could also potentially hear about a new pair of over-the-ear headphones similar to what we've been seeing through Apple's AirPods. Apple is really big on ensuring that its accessories for the music industry are high quality. They've really set a new bar for wireless earbuds. Let's see if they can do it again with wireless headphones.
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.